Are you tired of trying endless diets and exercise routine with little or no success? If so, it's time to consider intermittent fasting as a science-backed approach to boost your health. Intermittent fasting, or IF, is not just another diet fad. It's a lifestyle change that has been proven to have remarkable health benefits. With IF, you alternate periods of fasting with periods of eating. Now, this approach not only regulates your insulin levels but also triggers beneficial hormonal changes in your body. Research has shown that intermittent fasting can improve brain health, increase longevity, enhance weight loss, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as diabetes and heart disease. Not only does intermittent fasting help you lose weight, but it also promotes healthy aging and improve overall well-being. Now, intermittent fasting is not about what you eat, but rather when you eat. It is an eating pattern that alternates between periods of fasting and periods of eating. While there are several methods of intermittent fasting, the most common ones are the 16-8 method, the 5-2 method, and alternate day fasting. The 16-8 method involves fasting for 16 hours and restricting your eating to an 8-hour window each day. This can be as simple as skipping breakfast and having your first meal at noon, then eating your last meal by 8 p.m. The 5-2 method involves eating normally for 5 days of the week and restricting your caloric intake to 500 to 600 calories on the other 2 days. Alternate day fasting, as the name suggests, involves fasting every other day with some variations allowing for a limited caloric intake on fasting days. Intermittent fasting has been linked to a wide range of health benefits. One of the most significant benefits is its ability to improve brain health. Studies have shown that intermittent fasting can enhance cognitive function, improve memory, and reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Moreover, intermittent fasting has been shown to increase longevity. By reducing oxidative stress and inflammation in the body, intermittent fasting can slow down the aging process at a cellular level. It also promotes the production of sirtuins, a group of proteins that are associated with longevity. Furthermore, intermittent fasting has been found to reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as diabetes and heart disease. By improving insulin sensitivity and reducing insulin resistance, intermittent fasting can help regulate blood sugar and lower the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. It also lowers blood pressure, improves cholesterol levels, and reduces inflammation, all of which contribute to a healthier heart. There are ample animal studies that have shown that intermittent fasting can increase lifespan and improve overall health span, although more research is needed to confirm these effects in humans. Last but not the least, the biggest, often understated benefit of intermittent fasting is that it is much easier to follow than eating a traditional 3 to 5 meals plan a day, since it requires less meal tracking or counting calories. It really simplifies meal planning and you save a lot of time on food preparation as well. If you're new to intermittent fasting, it's important to start slowly and gradually increase your fasting periods. Begin with the 16-8 method and experiment with different eating windows to find what works best for you. For example, you might choose to have your first meal at noon and your last meal by 8 p.m. During the fasting period, you can consume 0-calorie beverages such as water, black coffee, herbal tea to curb hunger. It's also essential to listen to your body and adjust your fasting schedule accordingly. If you feel excessively hungry or fatigued, it's okay to break your fast earlier or extend your eating window. To make the most of the intermittent fasting, here are some tips to keep in mind. First is stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated and curb hunger. Second is to eat nutrient-dense meals. Make sure your meals are balanced and include plenty of fruits and vegetables and healthy fats and lean proteins. Third, plan your meals. Preparing your meals in advance can help you avoid making unhealthy food choices during your eating window. Fourth, stay active. Incorporate regular exercise into your routine to maximize the benefits of intermittent fasting. Before starting any dietary regime, it's best to consult with a healthcare professional to ensure that intermittent fasting is safe for you. If given the green light, intermittent fasting can be a powerful tool to take control of your health and achieve the weight loss you've always desired. If you like the information provided in this video, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you're notified when the next video is out. Thanks for watching.